Hey you guys, so I'm here with another wig review. As you can see, my order came via DHL, which took about 2 to 3 days shipping. I did receive a net for my wig if I wanted to use that for my head, and I also received a printout of what I received. So that's good because, you know, sometimes you forget what you ordered. So yeah, that printout helped a lot. Basically, this is a water wave lace front wig. It's 22 inches and it's 180% density. So here I am just focusing my camera so you guys can get the best clarity, but this is the packaging that it came in. The box was a little beat up, but that's okay. I'm not going to be using the box, so I'm glad that they did go ahead and send the wig in that little zipper package that you guys saw. So I'll be storing my wig in that. So again, this is 22 inches, 180% density. I'm not quite sure about that density, but we're going to get into that later on in the video. So this is the wig straight out of the package. Again, this is a lace front. It does have 3 combs in the front, and I believe there are, it's 1 comb in the back and adjustable straps. So here I am just trying the wig on for the first time, and yeah, it fits pretty good. I wanted to do this just to make sure that the wig fit before I cut the lace. I always tell you that, you know, do not cut the lace before you try it on because the company will not take it back. You know, if you want to return it in case it doesn't fit, they won't take it back if the lace is cut. So make sure you try your wig on before you do that. So far so good. Now let's talk about this wig. Now the hair is absolutely gorgeous, as you can see, but you saw when I turned around. Y'all saw that? Okay, so you, just to fix that, you might either want to wear a darker cap so that you do not see those tracks, or you want to wear a cap that is close to your complexion, but I definitely would recommend you guys wearing a darker cap. So that's what I was saying about the density. I'm not quite sure because if it was 180% density, you would not be able to see those tracks. So I'm still going to work with the wig. I can just comb it out and you definitely won't see the tracks, but I'm not going to do none of that. I'm just going to cut these baby hairs off and style up this wig real quick. So now that I cut off those baby hairs, I am going in with my Irresistible Mean Curling Wand just to open up that parting space a little more. Then I'm going to go in with my foundation that actually matches my skin tone. And this is the key, you guys, to getting a realistic looking part. You don't always have to bleach your knots and, you know, going through all of that craziness. I'm just lazy, and again, I'm inexperienced when it comes down to that, so I just do this method and it works absolutely fine for me. As you can see, now my part looks a lot more realistic and the hair itself is really pretty. You know, like I said, the only con was that it's rather thin, and yeah, but I guess that could be fixed with some brushing if you want to brush out the curls a little more. And you can also, like I said earlier, just wear a darker cap so you will not see those tracks in the back. Other than that, I love this hair. The wig itself is very lightweight. The curls are popping, as you can see. There's no product in the wig, no product at all. this is exactly how I got it. I didn't do anything but what you saw on camera. So if you guys are liking this unit, don't forget to check the description box and also let me know down below what you think about the unit in the comment section. Don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.